The Samsung Galaxy M55 5G is coming soon, and today its specs have leaked alongside the official-looking renders you can see. Tipster Mukul Sharma shared in a post on X. It will be available in light green and black. M55 is said to come with a 6.7-inch FHD plus 120 Hz Super AMOLED plus screen with thin bezels and a 1000 nit peak refresh rate. The fingerprint sensor will be of the under-display type. On the rear, there's a triple camera system, 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultrawide, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. And a 50-megapixel selfie camera is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. You'll be able to get it with 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, expandable with microSD cards up to 1 TB. The M55 is launched running Android 14 with One UI 6 on top, and apparently Samsung will offer it with a promise of 5 major Android updates and 5 years of security updates. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast wire charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.